talking about the service itself, right? The IAS service. Now, what are some of the, of course, we talk about the perks that come with the job and we think of it as a very glamorous profession. But of course, there's another side to it which many people don't know about, or the aspirants who are preparing for it would definitely want to know. Would you like to throw some light on that?
This job has a lot to it besides the glamour and the perks that we see or we think of or we assume that we have in the service. In fact, when I had not become a bureaucrat, I also used to think, this job comes with gaadi, bangla, beacon wali car, PSO, things like that. But then after spending so many, 5 years in this service, I've realized this job is a lot more challenging than what we probably know about when we write this exam. So we face challenges which can complete the entire spectrum. The moment you try to bring about change, there will be resistance. Resistance can be in the form of passive resistance, it can be non-cooperation, it can be outright bodily harm. Depends on what situation you find yourself in. So elaborate करके कोई फायदा नहीं है, but challenges are many and ये मैं स्पेशली सारे एस्पिरेंट्स को कहना चाहूँगी कि ये मत सोच के आइएगा कि आपका जो 30-35 साल का करियर है वो सिर्फ अप होता रहेगा। आपको हमेशा बंगला, गाड़ी, PSO, नौकर, चाकर ये सब मिलेंगे, ये नहीं है। These are there, but these might also not be there. You will be an officer for 30-35 years. It will all average out. तो आपको वो मेंटल प्रेपरेशन रखनी है कि मेरे को तब भी लोगों का काम करना है और लोगों के लिए काम करना है जब मुझे इनमें से कुछ ना मिले. There are umpteen examples wherein when we go on the field, like as in when we get our postings, कोई ग्लैमर नहीं है उन पोस्टिंग्स के साथ. कई बार तो ढंग से बैठने की भी जगह नहीं मिलती ऑफिस में. बंगला गाड़ी तो दूर की बात है. So you have to understand that this is part and parcel of the job, and if you are expecting कि आपको 30-35 साल के करियर में रोज आपको इस तरीके के पर्क्स मिलेंगे तो वो गलत है. ये एस्पिरेंट्स को समझना चाहिए. बट हाँ, रोज आपको ये जरूर मिलेगा, एज आई सेड, एक पॉजिटिव चेंज लाने का अवसर जरूर मिलेगा, अपॉर्चुनिटी जरूर मिलेगी, वो आपको रोज मिलेगा.